And I'm not sure if we might have some gals in here today. Look out, guys.
God, best announcer now.
The judges are ready. Here we go. Fire in the hole. Oh my goodness.
I can't believe Robbie's probably
Look out, here he comes.
Do it. Do it.
Hang on. Woo-hoo. Too late. Look out, here he comes again. That's the way to do it. Almost looks like we had them all four running for a while there. We're still running pretty strong. Look out, yes, steam is coming back in. That's teamwork, ladies and gentlemen. They up in that situation. Oh, car number 66. Team S, car number 66, time out there.
No, I'm talking about Robbie. Oh, yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened.
Failed to make a hit in there a lot of time.